multiple leads from multiple platforms and I want to add all of them in my Pipedrive account. And do you think that I am going to do this manually? No, I've simply automated this process. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also build an automated lead capture system with Pipedrive. So to do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. Once you try Pabbly Connect for free and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But first, try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and let's see how we can build a lead capture system with Pipedrive. Okay, for that, just click on this create workflow and create it using Quick Builder. So I'm just going to start a new chat, and as you can see, you will find a window something like this. So let's see what we have to do. We have to create a workflow. So I want to create a workflow. For that, I'm just going to enter the prompt, add leads to Pipedrive. Very simple, right? So I'm just going to enter add leads to Pipedrive and send it right over here. It is analyzing my request. It is saying which app should trigger this workflow. So none of this will trigger this workflow. So I'm just going to select other, and over here I'm just going to select my application, which is Typeform. I'm receiving the lead details through a form builder application named Typeform. So I'm just going to select it. Which form triggered should start this workflow? Okay, so it's new entry. So I'm just going to select the same. It is saying okay, which Pipedrive action would you like to add for the new lead? So I'm just going to select it as create a person, and yes, this workflow is ready. So let me just approve and create it and open my workflow. Now this Typeform to Pipedrive is created successfully. I just have to connect my applications and I'm good to go. First, I'll just let you know how to connect Typeform. So I'm just going to open it and click on this connect button. Now click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. If you have already created this connection, you can go on the select existing connection too. Now make sure that your Typeform account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and once your account is already logged in, just click on this authorize button and your Typeform account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now you just have to choose the form for which you want to create this automation, select the response format to advanced and click on this save and send test request button. Now you can see it is saying waiting for webhook response. So let me just open my Typeform. Let me just open the same form which I selected in the workflow, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the test submission for this form. And in order to do the test submission, let me just copy the form link and open it in a new tab. As you can see, I have a total of 3 contacts right now in my Pipedrive account. So let me just create a new contact. For that, I am just going to first fill in the form. So for the first name, I'm just going to keep it as Jane. For the last name, let's just keep it as user. This has the phone number, this has the email. For the company, let's keep it as this. Select the course of the choice and click on this submit. We have successfully submitted the form. So let me just go back towards my workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same test submission right over here, and you can see the response is captured, which is the proof of our successful connection. Now let's just connect this Pipedrive. So open Pipedrive, click on this connect, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API token. To get this API token, just open your Pipedrive account, go on the profile picture, then personal preferences, then API, and over here is the API token. Just copy it and paste it right over here in the API token section. Click on the save, and Pipedrive is connected with Pabbly Connect. It is asking for many details, so one by one enter the details, but you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I am going to map all the details which I have of my lead. If you have the details, you can map it, or otherwise you can only map the details which you have. I've successfully mapped the name, email and phone number. Now let me just click on the save and send test request button. It is saying value true. This means that we've successfully created a new contact. So let me just open my Pipedrive account and let me just go back to this contact section, and you can see we have a total of 4 contacts and the new contact details are added right over here. Like this, we learned how to add new contact in Pipedrive using Typeform. Now let's see how to do this using Google Ads. Okay, so let me just go back towards my dashboard and I'm just going to enter over here Google Ads to Drive. Let me just send it right over here, and you can see it is analyzing my request. I'm just going to select the actions right over here, which is create a new person. I'm just going to look for the same, create a new person, and you're going to see yes, my workflow is ready. So let me just approve and create it and open the workflow. Now in order to connect Google Ads, you're going to receive a webhook URL. So just open this. Over here is the webhook URL. So just copy the webhook URL, open your Google Ads, make sure to add the lead form in Google Ads. So I'm just going to add the lead form right over here in this Google Ads, and then I am good to go. As you can see over here in this lead form, I've selected the details like the name, email, phone number, and in order to connect this with Pabbly Connect, you have to scroll and you're going to find this lead delivery option. For the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter the key of your choice and click on the send test data. Go back towards the workflow, and over here Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same. I'll just show you how. So let me just click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, and Pabbly is going to capture the response, which will be the proof of our successful connection. And over here we are creating these automations using the test details. It is going to run perfectly fine for the real leads too. You can see the response is captured. Just go to Pipedrive, simply create the contacts for the same. Recently we have connected Pipedrive, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save. Now for the name, just map the name, and like I showed you in that step, you can do the same one by one. You can enter all the details right over here. You can simply map all the details and you are good to go. Over here in the case of Google Ads, make sure that you only map the string value. Okay, now let me just move on further. Click on the save and send test request button. Let me just open my Pipedrive and you're going to see, let me just refresh this. A new contact is created right over here in my Pipedrive with the same details. This is no magic. This is the power of automation which we built now. So like this, you can create this for Facebook lead ads, Instagram lead ads, for any another form builder application too. It totally depends upon you. So we have successfully learned how we can build an automated lead capture system with Pipedrive. So go and try this amazing automations yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.